in Houston at the 2017 Automation Fair event. The best companies in industrial automation are here showing off their innovative products. I'm Teresa Hauk, Executive Editor of the Journal for Rockwell Automation and our partner Network Magazine. One of those top companies is Ross Controls, and I'm talking with my buddy Chris. So Chris, tell me what Ross Controls does.
Well, Ross Controls is a leader in the fluid power industry, and our focus is in safety valves, and which include lockout tagout valves, automatic dump valves or pressure release valves, safe cylinder return valves, and safe load holding or safe brake valves. And we have several new products out this year, which I'll show you in just a second. And we have a series of older products as well. So I'd like to show you a little bit of both, just to kind of give you a flavor of what we do.
Okay, let's take a look at those. So Chris, what do we have here?
Well, this is one of our older products called a DM squared. This is a Category 4 Performance Level E valve with self-monitoring. And you can see this is quite large, but it's very reliable. It's one of the most reliable air dump valves on the market. And we have a new version called an M35. And you can see the M35 is about a third of the size of the DM squared. Same flow rates, equal reliability, and a much more cost-effective price, and much smaller.
Well, that's very useful for your customers. So I know you have another new product that's compatible. Let's take a look at that.
Let's go and take a look at it.
So what are we looking at here? What is this?
Well, this is our CM2 cross mirror, which is a safe cylinder return valve. And this one is also Category 3 Performance Level D, and depending on the application could be Category 4 Performance Level E. And this is an older series that we've had for several years, and we now have a new series called the RSE that's much more compact, same reliability, and it can go all the way to Cat 4 PLE as well.
And I understand you also have some other innovative products you're showing off.
Absolutely. So let's go look at those.
Good idea. So Chris, tell us about this.
Well, this is our new valve called the Crosscheck, and there's nothing like this on the market. This valve is used to do safe load holding, or some people call it safe brake control, with the pneumatic cylinders. And so we see a lot of people using it in vertical applications where they have to hold something that they're moving, or something that is moving in a horizontal way, and we can stop it in mid-stroke. In the past, this had to be done with a dump valve, a directional control valve, and also what we call a PO check valve. We have all of that in one valve today, and it goes all the way to Category 4 Performance Level E. And so it's a much simpler design for users, and there's nothing like this on the market today.
That is unique. And speaking of unique, let's take a look at some of the things that are operating behind us and see how those work.
That'd be great.
So Chris, I see 3 exciting products here. Tell me about each of them.
Yeah, these are the products that I just explained earlier, the M35, the RSE, and the Crosscheck. So what I'm going to do is show you the functionality of the M35. This M35, like I said, is a safe exhaust valve. And basically what I'm going to do here, when I break the light curtain, now I exhausted the air, now the cylinder's drifting down. So there's no pressure on the pinch point, and I can move the cylinder freely. So this is the functionality of the M35. The next product is called the RSE. And the RSE has 2 functions. It can do safe cylinder return and safe exhaust in one valve. The only difference is we have to change the base. And so what I'm going to do here on the next stroke of the cylinder, when it starts down, I'm going to block the light curtain, and the cylinder will return back to a safe position. So what this does is it returns away from harm and takes the load to a safe position so it doesn't hurt someone. The next product is called the Crosscheck. And this Crosscheck basically does load holding functionality, or what some people call safe brake functionality. So what I'm going to do on the next stroke, I'm going to break the light curtain and stop the load. So that load is now frozen. You can't move it, and so it's locked. And so you can return and finish your stroke, and this is a safe load holding application. And all 3 of these can go up to Category 4 Performance Level E, depending on how they're integrated. So these are our new products releasing here at the show.
That's really exciting for you, and I know that you're an Encompass partner with Rockwell Automation, so what does that mean for your customers?
Well, we've been an Encompass partner for 9 years, and we partner with Rockwell, and many of the Rockwell distributors. And many of the Rockwell distributors are also Ross distributors. And some of the technology that we're implementing into our future products are going to be using Rockwell technology. And so having that relationship with both Rockwell and the distribution network helps us to truly partner to support our customers across the globe.
Yes, and having the technology be complementary and work with each other.
Absolutely.
There's a lot you can learn about Ross Controls that we can't even cover in this video, so go to the URL that you see on your screen, find out how Ross Controls can help you. I'm Teresa Hauk at the 2017 Automation Fair event. See you next time.